everyone, and welcome back. My name is Amanda, and I'm a Customer Success Manager at BRE Networks. Today, we have a special guest with us, our Product Manager for Fond, Harley Slater. We're excited to learn more about Fond's innovation and the driving force behind its success. So let's dive right in. Thanks for joining us today, Harley. Could you start by telling the viewers a little bit about yourself and your role as a Product Manager at BRE Networks?
Yeah, thanks Amanda, it's good to be here. So I think the main thing about being a product manager, and the simplest way to put it, is that my job's just to make sure that we spend our time building the right things. You know, we're not wasting our time building things that no one wants. So I have to ensure that anything we build is going to be impactful to our users and to the market, and that we're solving some problems there. Really, I've found the best way to do that is really just to engage with people. You know, hear about their stories at work and, you know, see how we can impact their lives and make their day a little bit easier. There's just so much you can learn from people, you know, within the industry and even without the industry actually, and seeing if there's some similar problems being solved maybe somewhere else that we can apply to our day. There's really no other way to do this. You know, we spend a lot of time building our solutions and we want to see them used by our customers, and that's really what gives us joy at the end of the day, is making an impact on people's lives.
So for those who have not used Fond previously, can you give us an overview of Fond and how it sets itself apart from other solutions on the market?
Yeah, sure. I think the first thing I want to do is back up a little bit and just talk about BRE Networks and what we do as a whole. So we've got our proprietary software and offer automated design solutions for fiber optic networks via Fond, which is our cloud-based software platform, where essentially I can give you the tools to do your own analysis, or through our engineering services, which, you know, we use our own in-house software to provide a more scalable solution, and we can actually drive that all the way through to a constructible design, or a construction-ready design, what we call a low-level design. And then with Fond, you know, our main product in the Fond space is Fond Planner, which we really target towards the economic analysis of a network, kind of at a project level. You know, we break it out and we allow users to generate a design, and that really forms the basis of their feasibility analysis, or understanding whether a project is going to be a good idea to build or not. Having the design is really our core differentiator in the market. So having that level of detail, we can come up with sophisticated analyses into cost, which you can use to really understand your project. The other thing that I'll point out is, using a software-based solution, we can really scale to meet the needs of our industry and trying to close that digital divide.
Are there any other differentiators that Fond has against other solutions on the market?
Yeah, so I think we've all seen, you know, spreadsheet-based analyses around feasibility, you know, to estimate cost, to estimate revenue. But my big question is, where did those numbers come from? And I think with the design there, you can really justify your analysis. So that is the basis of the analysis, and it just, you know, adds an extra level of certainty around your analysis.
What future developments or enhancements can we expect from Fond that'll continue to push the boundaries of innovation within fiber network planning?
With our distributed model, you know, with the software model, I can give 100, 1,000 people the tools to empower them to solve the problems that they face in their day. That way I don't need to go sit in their office or buy them and, you know, kind of solve those problems for them. But I think something that we can do better is really driving towards, I guess, you know, the confidence in the analysis and really helping projects move forward. I guess that should move forward. You know, helping people prioritize which markets they do first. You know, like, how do I communicate the specific intricate value of my market as opposed to another one? You know, like, if I'm asked, why am I building here? and not somewhere else? You know, I want to be able to answer that question and have our customers answer that question.
Want to do a little high five?
That was like the worst mic drop I think I didn't want to break.